The Power BI versus Tableau versus Looker decision is one of the highest stakes. Technology choices a data team makes because it compounds over years. Get it wrong and you are looking at a $500,000 to $3 million migration cost for a mid-sized deployment. 68% of organizations admit their current BI platform does not deliver the expected ROI. This is the honest comparison that fixes that. These are not three versions of the same product. They represent three fundamentally different architectures and three distinct philosophies. Power BI is a productivity engine for Microsoft native organizations. Excel users adopted in days. Pricing is the most aggressive in the market. Tableau is a visual analytics workbench for exploration and pixel-level storytelling. It is the industry benchmark for visualization depth. Looker is a developer-first platform where data modeling is the product. LookML defines metrics once. Every query and dashboard uses the same definitions. Power BI entry point is $14 per user per month. It features Copilot AI, which generates reports and writes DAX measures. Tableau Creator starts at $70. The visualization engine is the benchmark. Tableau Pulse pushes metric summaries through Slack automatically. Looker contracts start at $66,600 per year. It is warehouse native. Gemini AI inherits access controls already defined in LookML. Pricing. Power BI wins. Visualization. Tableau wins. Governance. Looker wins. Ecosystem lock-in is the single most reliable predictor of your choice. If you run Microsoft 365 and Azure, choose Power BI. Everything sits in the same platform through Microsoft Fabric. If you run Salesforce CRM and Slack, choose Tableau integration plus Tableau Pulse is a material operational advantage. If you run Google Cloud and BigQuery, choose Looker. Warehouse native queries plus Gemini AI is the most coherent architecture for GCP native organizations. Data quality before tool selection. A well-governed data layer produces strong results on any of these platforms. An ungoverned environment produces mediocre results. The right answer is the one that fits your stack. Choose based on your technology ecosystem, not on features you may never use. The complete guide is linked in the description. Like and subscribe to aibuzz. We make complex BI decisions clear for every professional.